Where to find the best sites. Environmental hazards and your health. Hello. You want more information about what are the possible results of lightning? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about what are the possible results of lightning is en.wikipedia.org. See the page titled Lightning Strike, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. You can also try lightning.nhl.com, especially the page schedule, the official website, Tampa Bay Lightning. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site en.wikipedia.org. The web page Lightning, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link.